Fakaalofa, my name's Chris Van Doren, Niuean, Sāmoan and Dutch, and brought up in Aotearoa.
What mediums are you using? What materials?
For this one, I'm using some swamp kauri that I've had to me by Kasana, my partner's grandfather from up. So some native goodies, trying to get people motivated. There's not a lot of sculptors coming through, and they can get a bit of clay or a chisel and start working from home. Let's get into it.
So what is one word that describes your work?
Galactic. Kind of watched Star Wars when I was young about 50 times on a beta video, and that was my inspiration there. Big shortage of sculptors out there. We're like the old dinosaurs.
I know, we're the old Star Wars.
You can't really start the grinder up down here because the neighbour's washing gets covered in dust. Yes.